Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up application for websites. If you click on link, for example Spotify, and you install Spotify on your PC Windows 11, the link will directly open that apps, not another website or not official website of Spotify. So just jump directly into application that installed on your Windows. So let's get started by click on start icon and jump into the settings. Now you can click on apps, and here we go, apps for websites that can open in an app instead of a browser. Click it. Here, open links in an app instead of your browser. For example, the maps. If you click on maps or you install the maps, directly open on app. And for external application from Microsoft or Windows, there is a Spotify or even Netflix. If you install Netflix on your PC, you can try to open that link from this app. So this one is openspotify.com. I do have Spotify on my PC, so whenever you click the link, a Spotify link will directly open it by this app, not from the browser. Apps for website. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.